For sealant we use a Loctite quick gasket for oil. It dries in 25 minutes, but still need to fix all the rests, mount the transmission and stuff, the axles. So it's fresh. I sprayed it already to test it. Everything clean. Just want to point out that over here in the corners there was a little bit of gasket left. You can see it. It's this little piece. Forgot to mention. Be careful. Scrape it away. Clean it. Else it won't be tight and sealed. So now we go from, if you can see it, up. We go from this corner. This is the rubber gaskets around this, up all the way to there. Yep, you can just reach it up. Yep, should be a good one. Then a little bit on the gasket itself. Over here, just a tight connection. Yep, that will be enough. That will be enough. It's all right. It's thick enough. Be sure no air gets in there, else it will be a waste of the can. Then we take our super tool. Make sure you have enough room. To get it to the crankshaft like this. Yep, this will be good. Like this, you mount it against the crankshaft. And then you take the black pin. The black pin is to guide it in place for the diesel engines, because this can move, you see, like this. And the red pin, that's for the petrol engines. Yep, should be like this. And you screw in the hex keys with a number 8 up into the crankshaft. Like this. I'll try to show it. It's not that easy. For a good camera angle. I think this should be it, perhaps. So, up. Yep, it's tight, it's fixed. Yep. Yeah. Yep, it's over there. Up. It's a stubborn tool. Yeah, I see it. My 7 doesn't go all the way in.